few years ago, and now you've just saved hers.
And I was absolutely in shock. I couldn't believe it.
In an extraordinary twist, two random events 7 years apart have thrown the same two people together in a life and death struggle. Is this more than an incredible coincidence?
So you gotta wonder why Penny was at the baseball diamond that night. She wasn't supposed to be. And you gotta wonder why was my son at work that afternoon when he wasn't supposed to be.
Why, indeed. The answers to this mystery could concern the deepest corners of science and the universe. We are one.
He was a family man. He was a businessman.
Frank Lucas is involved in mafia and the dope business.
He was a man to be feared and respected.
He uses U.S. military planes to transport heroin into the United States, and he's been doing so since 1969.
He was an American gangster. Saturday at 9 on History Television.
How new is the new Edge with my Ford?
Well, he's so sexually active.
You could never do this before.
I don't know. He says he's just good looking.
Or this. And you definitely couldn't do this.
Like Kate's mix.
Or this.
Temperature 22 degrees.
Say hello to the new Edge with my Ford Touch. Quite possibly the world's smartest crossover.
There's a burger out there to make you dream of meat and bouncing pickles down a melty street. A quarter pound of beef is how we start making it. Shove it in your mouth right after we bake it.
Did I just use bacon as a verb? Maybe.
The new DQ Bacon Cheese Grill Burger, just $3.29 for a limited time. And finish off with the new DQ Mini Blizzard.
Ow! He bit my toe.
Unbelievable.